In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format text boxes in PowerPoint. This is one of those handy skills that can really elevate your presentations and make them more visually engaging. Whether you're designing a slideshow for a meeting, a class, or a personal project, knowing how to format text boxes will give you much more flexibility and creative control over your content. First, let's start by opening PowerPoint on your computer. Once you've got the program open, ensure that you have the presentation file you wish to edit. You can do this by navigating to File and selecting the presentation from your recent files or locating it on your computer. You'll want to have your slides ready to go before diving into the formatting process. Next, once your presentation is open, go to the specific slide where you'd like to format a text box. Identify which text box you want to work on and let's start from there. Now, the way PowerPoint works, every element on a slide can be manipulated separately, and this individual attention can be pivotal in crafting a slide that's not just informative, but also visually pleasing. When you found your text box, right-click on it. A context menu will appear with a host of options. This is one of PowerPoint's useful features, giving you quick access to formatting and customization tools. By right-clicking, you're opening the door to all sorts of tweaks and adjustments that can turn a standard text box into a standout feature. In the menu that appears, look for and select Format Shape. This might require a bit of exploring if you're new to PowerPoint, but it's usually there right where it's easy to find. Clicking on this will open a pane on the right hand side of your screen, offering a variety of formatting settings specifically for the shape or text box you've selected. Now, with the Format Shape pane open, you have a myriad of options for formatting your text box. This is where the fun really begins. You can adjust the fill color, outline, text alignment, and even add effects like shadows or reflections. Each change you make can drastically alter the appearance of your slide, so take some time to experiment with different settings. You can also adjust the internal margins to ensure your text is well positioned within the box. Play around with these settings until you find a combination that complements the style and theme of your presentation. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can effectively format text boxes in PowerPoint to create more dynamic and visually appealing slides. Remember, the goal of these adjustments is to make your presentation not only informative but also engaging and easy to follow. Happy presenting!